how to make a video into a Boomerang video on Snapchat. Hey, this is me Yusra, and this video is gonna be about Snapchat Boomerang video. So first you have to do is open your Snapchat application. Here you can see there is the front side of the Snapchat, and I have opened the back camera, but there is no light on the back side. So for this I am opening the flashlight so that you would be able to see the video which I will create right now. So now I have to open the Snapchat flashlight. It's on you, you can on or not, it depends on you and the background too. So here you can see that I have opened it. So now I am going to take a short video. There is a random video. You can see that I made a video. This is a video, not a boomerang. So now I will change into a boomerang. You have to do is tap on the last option of the right icons. You can see that there are so many options in the right side. So you have to tap on the last icon which is named as snap timer. Tap on it. Once I have tapped on it, and again I will tap on it. There I have to tap on 2 times. You can see that after tapping on the bounce, my video has been changed into a boomerang video. This is directly showing here my video is now a boomerang video. You can post it on the story on the streak too, and also save it in the gallery. I hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.